Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to talk about mosquitoes and the West Nile virus in our backyards. It's that time of year again when mosquitoes are prevalent and the threat of the West Nile virus is real. There are around 770 species of mosquitoes, and approximately 150 of those have been known to carry the West Nile virus. In the U.S., the Culex species is the main known carrier, and they could be in our backyards. In May 2023, Coco News reported that there are already 2 positive known mosquito pools in Oklahoma County. Just an FYI, the whirlpool refers to a single species of mosquitoes in groups of 1 to 50 which are trapped and tested for viruses. While it's important to be aware, it's also important not to panic. Per the CDC, for every 500 mosquitoes you see, only 1 is infected. To contract the West Nile virus, you must be bitten by an infected mosquito. If you've contracted the virus, you won't necessarily notice symptoms right away. It could take anywhere from 2 days to 2 weeks to show. Some of the symptoms, according to the CDC, are headaches, body aches, joint pain, vomiting, and diarrhea or rash. If you are infected and not treated, the West Nile virus can affect the brain and nervous system and even cause death. But just because you've been bitten does not mean you will get sick. Only 20% of people infected will ever show symptoms, and only 1 in 300 will become ill. So your system will most likely be able to combat the virus. It is dangerous to those with compromised immune systems, those over 60, and pregnant women. If you fall in these categories, you may want to be aware of new outbreaks. Being aware of the West Nile virus in mosquitoes does not mean you need to stay in all summer with the doors and windows shut. That's not healthy. Just be aware and take some precautions and remove mosquito attractants from your yard. First, mosquitoes lay their eggs in water and lay around 100 eggs every 10 days, making it easy for an infestation to get out of hand quickly. If that doesn't make you shudder, unlike a bee, there's no limit to how many times a mosquito can bite you. Therefore, if you're looking to keep mosquitoes away, you'll need to get rid of any standing water. And this means getting rid of bird baths, filling low spots in your yard, taking dog bowls inside, checking for leaking faucets, cleaning gutters so water can't accumulate, etc. In other words, give them no place to breed. If you have a pool or a pond, it's imperative to maintain it properly. If you neglect it, you've given mosquitoes exactly what they want. A good way to keep mosquitoes out of your pool is to use a pool cover when it's not in use. Beware though, while you are keeping your pool mosquito-free, if water accumulates on the cover, mosquitoes will love it. So keep it as dry as possible, and if you believe you have a problem, wash it off with a hose and some Dawn dish soap. It will kill the larva immediately. You may also wish to place some Spartan's mosquito sticks around the perimeter of your home. Mosquitoes are also attracted to unkept areas. Therefore, it is important to keep your yard free from debris and trash so they will have no place to hide. A few other suggestions is to use plants that repel mosquitoes, such as citronella, peppermint, and marigolds. It is important to keep informed to new outbreaks of the West Nile virus in your area and take precautions if you are in a high-risk category. Most of all, don't let mosquitoes ruin your summer. Get rid of them instead. We at Backyard University believe prevention is the key to having a safe and happy summer. If you have other questions or backyard concerns, please feel free to click our link below to some of our other videos or visit us at backyarduniversity.org for your convenience. We've supplied a list of links to our mentioned products, and don't forget to like and subscribe.